What if I told you that right now, on your Android phone, you're only using about 60% of its true potential? What if there were secret apps, hidden from the mainstream app stores, that could completely transform how you use your device? Well, get ready, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal 3 game-changing apps for 2026 that you absolutely need to install. The third one is so powerful, it might just be the best-kept secret in the entire Android universe. Let's not waste any time. The first app on our list is a masterpiece of productivity called Fluid Flow. Now, you've probably used dozens of note-taking and to-do list apps, right? They're all the same. Clunky, separate, and you end up juggling between 3 different apps just to plan your day. Fluid Flow is different. Imagine your calendar, your to-do list, your notes, and your project boards all merging into one seamless, intuitive interface. Here's the magic. Fluid Flow uses a unique AI that learns your habits. Let's say you have a meeting scheduled. The app will automatically pull up your notes from the last time you met with that person. If you add Finish Project Report to your to-do list, it will link you directly to the document and suggest blocking out time in your calendar to work on it. It's not just an app. It's a personal assistant that anticipates your next move. Setting it up is a breeze. You just connect your Google Calendar, your Drive, and any other services you use, and Fluid Flow weaves them all together. The interface is clean, customizable, and frankly, beautiful to look at. For anyone trying to reclaim their time and get organized in 2026, this app isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity. You won't find it by searching for productivity apps. It's one of those gems you have to know about. Okay, moving on to app number 2, and this one is for all the creators, the hobbyists, and anyone who loves to make cool stuff with their phone. It's called Lens Shift AI. Forget everything you know about mobile video editing. Lens Shift AI isn't about just trimming clips and adding filters. This app uses generative AI to do things that, until now, required a high-end desktop computer and years of experience. Picture this. You shoot a simple video of your friend walking down the street. With Lens Shift AI, you can tap a button and change the entire season in the video. You can turn a sunny afternoon into a snowy evening, complete with realistic lighting and weather effects. Or, even crazier, you can use its style transfer feature. You could shoot a video of your pet and apply the art style of Van Gogh or a classic anime. And it processes it in near real time. It's not just a filter, it's rebuilding the video frame by frame. But the feature that truly blows me away is the AI B-roll generator. You tell the app your video is about making coffee, and it will automatically generate cinematic shots of coffee beans, steam rising, and latte art to seamlessly integrate into your project. This is going to revolutionize content creation on the go. It's powerful, yet incredibly user-friendly. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 hidden Android app for 2026, the one I've been most excited to share. This app is called Guardian Shell. In a world where our digital privacy is more valuable than ever, Guardian Shell is your personal digital fortress. This isn't just another VPN or antivirus, it's a complete privacy ecosystem for your phone. Here's how it works. Guardian Shell creates a secure, encrypted sandbox on your device. Any app you install inside this sandbox is completely isolated from the rest of your phone. It can't access your contacts, your photos, your location, or your microphone unless you give it explicit, one-time permission. Think about all those apps that ask for permissions they don't really need. With Guardian Shell, you're in total control, but it gets even better. It has a feature called data decoys. If an app tries to harvest your data, Guardian Shell feeds it fake, meaningless information, protecting your real identity. It also includes a built-in tracker blocker that works across all your apps, not just your browser, and it even masks your device's digital fingerprint, making you virtually anonymous online. The best part? The interface is designed for regular people, not just tech experts. A simple dashboard shows you exactly which apps are trying to access what, and you can block them with a single tap. In an age of constant surveillance, Guardian Shell isn't just a utility, it's peace of mind. It's the key to taking back control of your digital life. So there you have it, 3 incredible apps that will redefine your Android experience in 2026. From the ultimate productivity boost with Fluid Flow to unleashing your creativity with Lens Shift AI, and finally protecting your digital self with Guardian Shell. These apps prove that the most powerful tools aren't always the most popular. Let me know in the comments which of these apps you're most excited to try out, or if you have any other hidden gems you think I should check out. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. And if you want more content that helps you get the most out of your tech, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.